What if melting didn't happen the way we were taught in school? What if solid didn't turn straight into a liquid? When materials become just one atom thick, the rules completely change. In our everyday world, melting is simple. Ice turns into water. Metal becomes liquid when heated. The change is fast and sudden. But scientists believed that ultra thin materials behave differently. Instead of melting all at once, they pass through a strange middle state, neither solid nor liquid. This mysterious stage is called the hexatic phase. For decades, no one had ever seen it in a real material. Until now, scientists at the University of Vienna took an atom-thin crystal of silver iodide and sealed it between two layers of graphene, like a tiny protective sandwich. Then they slowly heated it and recorded everything, atom by atom. Just before melting, something incredible happened. The atoms began to move like a liquid, but still held onto some solid-like order. The hexatic phase was real. Even more surprising, the final step to a liquid happened suddenly, just like ice turning into water. This broke long-standing scientific theories and proves that in the two-dimensional world, melting follows rules of its own.